and it looks as though Denmark has gone, and it looks as though Jonas Devan is now the leader of this group. That's not where he wants to be. Yes, he moves out of the way. He doesn't want to be the leader at the front of this pack. He wants to benefit from the slipstream. They're all sitting up now. You're going to have to be careful, boys. There's only 50 seconds left. We've seen this happen. Mugello last year, they went out, and 7 of the riders never even made it across the line because they got it wrong. They were dawdling, and they were going too slow. 35 seconds remaining. I don't think they're going to get out. I don't think they're going to make it. They're too far away. 30 seconds to go. Denmark is coming into the final couple of corners. 20 seconds remaining. I think they've got this wrong. I think there's going to be a couple of riders here that are going to be scratching their heads, and they're going to run out of time. There's 15 seconds to go, and look at these guys. They're not even in the final corners. It is going to be very, very close. It's a long run down to the checkered flag here. 7,